Hi, I'm Seth with Rewild Gear, and today I'm here to show you about our fire starting lineup. The first item in the lineup is our ferro rod. Ferro rod comes with this cool little canvas bag for storing the rod in. You can also collect tinder and kindling for starting a fire. Now, as you're probably aware, a ferro rod is one of the best and easiest ways to start a fire if you don't have matches or a lighter, because you can get it soaking wet. It's really compact, lightweight, carry it with you anytime. It has an ergonomic bamboo handle, so very sustainable material. It will last thousands of strikes, and it has this scraper to really get fires going. Also has a little bottle opener here, so if you have to open a cold one in a pinch and don't have anything else. Our second item is our Pyro Balls. Now our Pyro Balls, they are a cotton type ball that is mixed with an accelerant to help get a fire going very quickly, very easily. So it comes with 10, 12 balls in here, and then you just stretch it out, and then you go and you strike, and it takes very quickly. Then we also have our Firelight Bellows, and that is used to help get a fire going more. And we also need some tinder or kindling to go along with this so that it will help catch from the ball. But if you just let it go by itself, then it's great. And the bellows is typically used, you've got a little spark, but you're trying to get it going even better, especially when some of your materials are wet. So the bellows, it's collapsible and expandable. It has the mouthpiece here, ergonomic mouthpiece, and also a lanyard, so it will fit on a key ring with the rest of your fire making kit, etc. And it also comes in one of the cool little logo canvas bags. That's our fire making kit from Rewild Gear. Until next time, stay wild.